For sale, 2019 Ram 5500. Chi-top enclosed service body with AutoCrane 4x2 Cummins diesel. The 2019 Ram 5500 is a medium-duty service truck built to handle heavy-duty field maintenance and repair work. Powered by a Cummins ISB 6.7-liter inline-6 turbo diesel, producing 360 horsepower and paired with an Aisin 6-speed automatic transmission, it delivers the strength and durability needed for utility and fleet operations. Built on a 168.5-inch wheelbase with a GVWR of 19,500 pounds, it features a single front axle rated at 7,250 pounds and a rear axle rated at 13,500 pounds, supported by spring suspension for reliable load handling. The wide high-top utility body offers enclosed, weather-protected compartments with swing-out double doors for secure storage and organization of tools and equipment. Additional features include side-mounted ladder racks, strobe and spotlights, a step bumper for ease of access, a towing package with trailer brake control, and a Dimension Sure sign inverter for power on the job site. This truck is equipped with an AutoCrane EC-2 telescopic folding crane rated at 2,000 pounds with a 5-foot fully extended reach, making it ideal for lifting engines, components, and heavy gear. Operator convenience is enhanced with Uconnect 3 and a 5-inch display, steering wheel controls, ParkView rear backup camera, and the chrome appearance package. A one-owner, fleet-maintained truck with a clean Carfax, it shows just 70,651 miles and remains in strong condition. Finished in white with a gray interior, this service unit is work-ready and equipped to serve contractors, municipalities, or mechanics needing reliable field support.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership. Because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.